Hey there, it's Samantha Thompson with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to share with you our new Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited. Now, I've been a consultant for 8 years, and this purse has been around as long as I have. It's one of our most popular, but now we have it in the faux leather fabric, which is super nice. So it has an adjustable strap, so if you want to wear it one shoulder, you can, or you can adjust it and wear it crossbody. I just got it, so it's a little bit stiff to adjust. I'll try my best. So you can kind of see, you can wear it crossbody as well. On the front here, you're gonna see it's got the solid color, and then on the back, it's got the pattern pocket right here for your cell phone, which is super nice. It does have a big full pocket here on the front, zipper closure, and then on the inside it has a zipper pocket and then also two flat pockets. I know it's kind of hard to see down there with it being a darker color, but super adorable in this faux leather fabric. I just think it's gorgeous. Comes in several different prints. If you have questions, feel free to reach out.